Today on World Famous Foods, we're doing some of this right here. See this? Some jerk beef stew. Let's cook. Time to season our beef. Some onion powder, garlic powder, some ground allspice, got some dry jerk seasoning, and we got some wet jerk seasoning. Into this, add some ginger, mix this up. We're gonna let this marinate. Got coconut oil and cane sugar. Now we're gonna add our beef. As you see the beef making its own juices right now, see that? I'll leave this for about 5 minutes or so. Okay, add some shallots. Some water. We're gonna let that cook. Okay, now we're gonna add some potatoes and carrots. And 2 habaneros. I'll let this cook for about another 15-20 minutes. Okay, so it looks like our food is done. So look at this. Look at that beef, look at that. Wow. Okay, time to plate. Here's our jerk stew beef, or beef stew, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. Finished product.